Hey Roblox fans, want to level up your avatar without spending Robux? You're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into all the real working ways to get free items in Roblox. No scams, no shady websites, just legit tricks you can use right now. Let's get started. First up, the avatar shop. Yep, Roblox has a whole section dedicated to free items. Just head over to the avatar shop, filter by price, and select free. Instantly, you'll see a bunch of items, hair, faces, accessories, even emotes that cost 0 Robux. Click, get, done. But that's just the beginning. Roblox also releases limited-time promo items. These usually come during events or brand partnerships. To claim these, you'll need to redeem special promo codes. Go to roblox.com/promo codes, enter the code, and if it's still valid, the item is instantly added to your inventory. Now, where do you find these promo codes? Roblox's official social media pages often post them, especially on Twitter and during seasonal events like Halloween or Christmas. Some YouTubers also share working promo codes, but always double-check if they're from a reliable source. Speaking of events, Roblox hosts virtual events like the Roblox Developer Conference, Egg Hunt, or collabs with brands like Nike, Spotify, or Netflix. During these events, you can complete mini-games or tasks to earn exclusive items for free. Some events even give you bundles that include multiple items at once. Next tip, create a new Roblox account. Sometimes Roblox gives starter packs with exclusive free gear to brand new users. It's not always available, but if you're starting fresh or helping a friend join, it's a neat bonus. Here's another underrated method. Join certain Roblox games that reward you with items. For example, games like Louvre Roblox Experience or Beatland have in-game quests that unlock free gear, hats, and animations once completed. These rewards are official and automatically get added to your inventory. Let's talk about Microsoft rewards. If you live in a supported country, you can earn points through Bing searches or simple tasks. Later, you can redeem those points for Robux gift cards. It takes a little time, but it's 100% legit and totally free. Now this one's for the smart traders. Check the UGC, user-generated content section. Occasionally, creators release limited free items to gain exposure. These go fast, but if you follow certain UGC creators on Twitter or Discord, you can catch them before they're gone. Here's a quick recap of all the ways to get free items in Roblox. 1. Avatar shop, filter by free. 2. Redeem promo codes at roblox.com/promo codes. 3. Join Roblox events and complete tasks. 4. New account starter packs, if available. 5. Play specific games that reward items. 6. Use Microsoft rewards to get free Robux. 7. Watch UGC creator drops. And here's a pro tip. Always stay updated. Roblox adds and removes free items regularly. So check the avatar shop weekly and follow Roblox's official blog and Twitter for the latest news. One last reminder. Never use third-party sites that ask for your password or personal info. Real free items come directly from Roblox or trusted games within the platform. Stay safe. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and share this video with your friends so they can gear up for free too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.